Hey guys, today I come to you with this pizza board. When I ordered this board, it was out of frustration. Actually, it was a pair. My husband had dropped a pizza in our oven. The frustration was real. I did not even know what I was looking for, but I needed some help. I was very frustrated. My oven was a disaster. It was such a mess. And so I went straight to Amazon to find a solution. And that's what I found. My daughter was here at the time and she was like, I don't know what to tell you. And so that was what we came up with. And I gave her one as well since she witnessed the crime. And here we are. So that's it. It has saved us since. He likes to cook right on the rack. I prefer using a pizza pan. But here we are, and everyone has a preference, I'm learning, and that's that. But I'm happy with it. I hand wash it, and it doesn't require anything special of me. And that's our pizza board. Thanks, guys.